What's good, internet? It's your boy Money here. In today's quick video, I'm going to be showing you how you could have made up to $230 profit trading Bitcoin in less than 2 hours. So if you like this kind of content, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe. Also, let me know in the comment down below if you like this kind of short content or if you want more drawn out content. So let's get right into it. So we saw the trend start to change on the 15 minute. We got a SNR flip of the daily negative point control on top of a triangle, the top trend line of a triangle. So then we break up all the way to the monthly level. Once we get to our monthly level, if you check the 5 minute, we made a clean SNR flip. Support, I mean resistance clearly becomes support here. Then you get your 2% move or your 2.3% move all the way up to the top. It'd be more if you got out at the top here, but I was just saying 2.3% because you can get out once the trend changes. You see it start making higher lows right here or lower highs right here and close your trade. Or you could even close it when it gets down to the weekly. No matter what, you made $200 in 2 hours. Can't complain. That's $100 an hour just sitting in your room, sitting wherever you want to be. It's the power of trading, the power of cryptocurrency. Make sure you're learning about cryptocurrency. Make sure you're learning about trading every day. Make sure you subscribe to this channel because there's going to be more videos like this every single day, and the videos are only going to continue to get better every single day. So yeah, you guys have a good day. Also, if you're not signed up for Bybit, the reason I was able to make $200 in less than 2 hours was because I'm trading on 100x leverage on Bybit. If you're not signed up for Bybit right now, go down in the link in the description, sign up for Bybit. If you're in the US, you do need a VPN. There should be a VPN link in the description. If not, I like NordVPN or Surfshark. Just depends on your budget, which one you trust. So yeah, that is all for today. You guys have a good night. You guys have a good day wherever you are in the world. Blessings, blessings, blessings. Peace.